Sa paggunita ngayong araw ng National Heroes Day, binigyang pugay ni Pangulong Ferdinand R. Marcos Jr. ang mga tinuguriang modern-day heroes. Kabilang na dito ang mga patuloy na nagsusulong ng kapayapaan at kaligtasan ng mga Pilipino. Yan ang ulat ni Alan Francisco.
Taimtim na pinangunahan ni Pangulong Ferdinand R. Marcos Jr. ang pagdiriwang ng Araw ng Mga Bayani sa libingan ng mga bayani sa Taguig City ngayong araw. Una siyang nag-alay ng bulaklak sa unsung soldiers. Sa kasunundan yan ng kanyang talumpati kung saan una niyang binigyang pagkilala ang mga bayaning nakipaglaban noon para sa kalayaan ng Pilipinas.
Lapu-Lapu and his warriors stood firm and defiant against foreign aggressors. Dr. Jose Rizal, whose brilliance and passion sparked the revolution. Andres Bonifacio, Antonio Luna, and the Katipuneros, whose dauntless courage blazed the trail for freedom. Gabriela Silang, Trinidad Texon, Teresa Magbanwa proved that Filipino women are just as fierce and valiant as their male counterparts. Their bravery and determination paved the way to the freedom that all of us enjoy today, although it came at a high cost: their peace, their rights, their lives.
Sabi ng Pangulo, paalala ang sakripisyo ng mga bayani sa ating lahat na maging vigilant o mapagmasid upang mapanatili ang kanilang ipinaglaban.
Let our commemoration today teach us the importance of not only remembering our heroes, but also of continuing to perpetuate their legacy of patriotism and of nobility. After all, heroism is not confined to just the history books. Heroism also lies in him and her who are virtuous, in those who are compassionate, in those who are just.
Binigyang diin din ni Pangulong Marcos ang ambag ng mga maituturing na modern-day heroes o yung mga makabagong bayani. Gaya na lamang ng mga miyembro ng Navy, Coast Guards at mga sundalo na nagpoprotekta sa bansa. Nariyan din ang mga healthcare workers at mga overseas Filipino workers at iba pang mga Pilipinong marangal na nagtatrabaho.
We also see it in the overseas Filipinos who leave the comfort of home to support their loved ones, in the ordinary workers who turn the gears of our economy, and in the farmer and fisher folk who increase our agricultural output to put food on every Filipino's table. It is emulated by educators who lead our fight against illiteracy, journalists to promote truth and accountability, the environmental advocates who ensure that we and our children will have a safe place to call home.
Ang mga atletang Pilipino na sumabak sa katatapos lang na Paris 2024 Olympics ay hindi rin nakalimutang saluduhan ng Pangulo.
All our Olympic athletes who persevered and highlighted once again the Filipino talent in the field of sports. Soon, the Paralympic Games will start, and the 6 Filipino Paralympians are already there, making us proud. The extraordinary strength and dedication to compete despite their disabilities are a symbol of hope for all of us. The national pride they brought and continue to bring home is unrequitable, not by awards, not by effusive praises, not by incentives.
Panawagan din ni President Marcos sa bawat isa, maging bayani sa simple nating paraan. Kasabay ng pagkataguyod sa demokrasya, pagtalima sa batas at pagdepensa sa soberanya.
Let us acknowledge the significance of history and pass it on to our young Filipinos so we can nurture in our children the love of country. For it is only in that patriotism that we can preserve our national identity. Let us pay homage to our past so that we can be worthy of the freedom that our ancestors fought for and of the bagong Pilipinas that we can proudly leave to succeeding generations. With this vision ingrained in our endeavors, we can build a nation where the dreams of our heroes are realized in every home, in every community, in every single Filipino heart.
Alan Francisco, para sa Pambansang TV, sa Bagong Pilipinas.